For homeowners in Eagle Mountain, Utah, keeping a home in great condition means staying ahead of maintenance and repair costs, especially when it comes to your windows. While windows are essential for natural light, ventilation, and comfort, old or damaged ones can become a major source of recurring maintenance expenses. If you've been dealing with peeling paint, drafts, condensation, or stuck sashes, it may be time to consider professional window replacement. Upgrading your windows not only boosts energy efficiency and curb appeal, but also plays a big role in reducing long-term maintenance costs. Here's how making the switch can lead to significant savings over time. Say goodbye to frequent repairs. Older windows, especially those with wood frames or outdated mechanisms, tend to require regular upkeep. From repairing rotting sills to replacing cracked glass or malfunctioning locks, the expenses can add up quickly. New replacement windows are designed with durability in mind, using materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite that are resistant to rot, corrosion, and warping. These modern materials reduce the need for scraping and repainting frames, replacing broken seals, recalking to prevent drafts and moisture. When you replace your windows, you eliminate these recurring issues and free up time and money for other home improvements. Less condensation equals less damage. Condensation may seem harmless, but it's one of the biggest culprits behind long-term window damage. When warm indoor air meets cold glass, it forms moisture, especially on older, single-pane windows with poor insulation. Over time, this leads to mold growth, wood rot, peeling paint or plaster around the window frame. Modern energy-efficient replacement windows come with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames that maintain more consistent temperatures and drastically reduce condensation buildup. This not only protects your window frames but also prevents interior water damage and the need for frequent repainting or repairs. Low-maintenance materials last longer. Many of today's replacement windows are made from low-maintenance materials that are engineered to withstand the extremes of Eagle Mountain's climate: cold, snowy winters and dry, sunny summers. Unlike traditional wood windows that require staining or sealing every few years, vinyl and fiberglass windows hold up with minimal effort. Benefits include no flaking, cracking, or repainting needed, UV-resistant surfaces that resist fading, easy-to-clean frames and glass. This means fewer weekends spent on upkeep and fewer dollars spent on paint, sealants, or professional maintenance services. Improved energy efficiency cuts HVAC strain. Old, drafty windows force your heating and cooling systems to work harder, which not only increases energy bills but can also lead to more frequent HVAC maintenance and repairs. New replacement windows reduce air leaks and improve insulation, allowing your HVAC system to operate more efficiently and last longer. Over time, this leads to lower energy bills, fewer HVAC service calls, extended lifespan of your heating and cooling equipment. By reducing the load on your HVAC system, window replacement indirectly helps you avoid costly system breakdowns and premature replacements. Boosting home value and curb appeal. While not a direct maintenance saving, replacing your windows boosts your home's resale value and market appeal. Buyers in Eagle Mountain appreciate homes with energy-efficient, low-maintenance windows, knowing they won't face repair or replacement costs anytime soon. If you're planning to sell in the next few years, new windows can increase your asking price and help your home stand out in a competitive market. Final thoughts for Eagle Mountain homeowners looking to cut down on maintenance headaches and expenses. Window replacement is a smart, forward-thinking investment. New windows offer improved durability, energy efficiency, and weather resistance, qualities that help protect your home and wallet long-term. If you're ready to explore replacement options, connect with a trusted local window professional who understands Utah's climate and can recommend the best materials and styles for your home. With the right upgrade, you'll enjoy peace of mind, fewer repairs, and a more comfortable living space for years to come.